What is going on, guys? Carlos here from Everything Tech, and in this video we're going to unbox and test the Hborna wireless charger, fast charger for iPhone 10, iPhone XS and XS Max, and also for the Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, all of the Samsung phones that support fast charge, and all of the iPhones that support fast charge. So let's get inside the box. This is the black model, like with a mirror finish to it. Let's get inside the box and see what the device looks like. It looks quite hefty, the box. It feels quite hefty, remind me. So I'm assuming this is made out of aluminium. If I'm not mistaken, I might be mistaken. The build quality of Hborna devices is exceptional, so you do get your money's worth when you buy a fast charger like this one. So it's got like a mirror finish on top, like a glass finish even, and because the box is so heavy, I'm thinking it is made of some sort of metal, like aluminium, I would think. It's got 4 rubber feet, and despite having like a protector on top, but I've just left mine on there, but you can take it out and you will be like a mirror, really mirror finished. Also in the box you get a USB cable, which is micro USB to full USB, and you get an instruction manual with it as well, and a little Amazon card which it tells you exactly what the lights mean, because you get 3 types of lights. You get a flashing amber light, a flashing green light, a full green light, and a full orange light. You also get a sticker inside, and that is it, pretty much what it's inside the box. Now let's just check it out and see if it actually charges my iPhone 10. I've got a power bank in here, which I'm going to plug it in and see if it all works. It's on a 2.4 amp, so it's not going to fast charge, but at least you'll give us an indication that it is working and that is charging my phone. And as you can see, you'll see the battery. It means that my phone is being charged at the moment. Obviously not full fast charge, but it is being charged. I was a bit too quick to remove the phone now and not put it back on, but it's flawless. It works every single time. So I guess this is it for this video, guys. I will leave links in the description for this device, where this device is being sold, and if you're interested, just go and pay them a visit and purchase one if you want to. Obviously this is going to work with the iPhone, so if you're looking for a fast charge for the iPhone or for the Samsung phones, then this is going to work just fine. So I guess this is it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you did like this video, or if this video helped you, please give us a like and consider subscribing so I can continue releasing more content like this. So until next time, thanks again. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.